Hi, it's TechEye here. Today I'm gonna show you how to back up your Android photos and files. We're gonna do the backup without using any third-party programs, because I don't trust them with my files and it's very easy to do it yourself. First thing you wanna do is open File Explorer. You can do that by pressing Windows key and E. And go to your phone directory. Mine is OnePlus 6, so I click in there and click in there. Basically the rule of thumb is go through all the folders and back up the needed files. I'm gonna show you which folders you should look into. Your phone's file structure should look similar to mine. You will have some different folders than me, because it depends on what apps you use. I, for example, have Beautiful Watches. That's an app for my Android watch. The first folder is DCAM. It's basically your phone's media library. It contains your camera photos, photos from your Facebook. I have some scans here, so this is the one you need to back up. The second folder is download. This is basically the directory where all your downloads are kept. Like if you downloaded PDFs, some files or photos, they're all here. So you should back up this one too. The third thing or folder you should back up is your instant messaging apps file. I use WhatsApp and Viber. So basically go to the folder, you can see there is media, which contains your wallpapers, WhatsApp images, WhatsApp videos, and same thing with Viber. It has media, it contains the images. And whatever apps you use, you should back up them. I'm gonna back up Viber and WhatsApp. Fourth thing is for the people who use Snapchat. If you downloaded any of your memories to your phone, they're gonna be kept in Snapchat folder, so kept here. Back up this folder too. Fifth and the last thing is folder called Pictures. Even though I said DCAM is your media library, your phone will contain some of the photos in this folder too. So as you can see, I have my Discord photos, here are photos from my line, my screenshots, so you should back up this too. Now let's start the backing up progress. Just move this to the side, create a new folder. I wanna call it my backup. Then just hold down your Ctrl key and select the folders you want. DCAM, download, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Viber, and Pictures. I'm gonna have all the folders I talked before listed on the screen, so you can check that. And now just copy it, paste it in here, and then it could take a while depending how much data do you have, but just wait till the end and then I'll be back. I didn't bother to back up all my files again because I just did it recently, but I backed up one of the folders. So when the copying process is done, just go inside the folders in your backup folder and check that the files are there. As you can see, my files are here, so everything is alright. And that should be all. Now you have your data backed up, you can reset your phone, sell it forward, or do whatever you want. If you have questions about specific apps where the files are located or something like that, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.